There. Daddy, hold Crystal. Just in case. Why that they eating there?
Drinking water.
Drinking water.
That one is drinking a tree, I don't know.